All right. Well, hello, hello. My name is Caroline Lee. I'm with Nature's Essentials Inc. I'm your Diamond Wellness Advocate with doTERRA. And I am going to go over the June promotions here with doTERRA. And that way that you can know what is for free this month for your loyalty rewards program and what's 10% off and things that I want you to make sure you don't miss as we head into the summer months. So before I leave the screen, I do want to highlight the Amavi Discovery set is still available. It was available towards the end of last month, and it is still available for those Father's Day gift ideas. So if you haven't gotten it and you're looking for something for your dad for Father's Day, go ahead and go to doTERRA.com, log into your membership account, and you have access to that. I'm also going to put a quick link down in the description below. So if you do want to grab it and you don't have a membership, that way you can just add it to the shopping cart and go right and purchase it. So we'll go ahead and move forward here. And let's talk about falling in love with fennel. Fennel is known to have a wide variety of uses, but is best known for its distinct licorice aroma and taste. You'll find the fennel is in some of our best-selling products, such as Digestin, Digestin soft gels, digestive tabs, and even the Clary Calm. Now, fennel promotes a healthy digestion when you consume it, and it may support a healthy inflammatory response and soothe the respiratory system when you take it internally. So I wanted to give you some ideas of how you can use fennel. So fennel is great for craving, to stop those cravings of sweets. So it's a great way to do that. You can do a drop in your water and drink it that way. You can also put a veggie cap and take it that way as well. But I wanted to give you some other ideas. It's great to diffuse in your car when you're on your summer road trips. You can apply it to your abdomen before or after your meals. I know I personally used it when I was nursing my baby. I would put fennel on to help support the milk production, and I would do that usually after I fed them. You can also use fennel when cooking. I've added that to my spaghettis and my lasagnas. You can add this also for a calming bath or a foot bath as well. So lots of different ways that you can use fennel. If you want to get this for free, so don't miss out. You can actually get this for free by placing a 125-point loyalty rewards order by June 15th. So if you're wanting to get it free, do your loyalty rewards order, make sure it's high enough to qualify it and process it before the 15th, and they'll just add this right into your shopping cart for you. All right, let's move on and let's talk about the rosy days ahead of us. So Rose Touch combines the fractionated coconut oil that we love with the rose essential oil. And this is one of the most precious essential oils in the world. Rose oil has a sweet floral aroma that is renowned in the perfume and essential oil industries. And with ease of the touch roller, it makes it easy to apply rose anywhere. So I absolutely love this. This is one that I use every single day. I love to apply it over my heart. I'll even put it in on my wrists and in my joints by my elbows. And I just do this to make me just feel supported and kind of self-love, I guess. A fun fact about rose is one of the lowest yielding plants of essential oils. Now, estimated reports it yields about 1 part essential oil per 3,000 part botanicals. So it is a huge undertaking when it comes to making rose oil. So that's why you're going to find that it's rather more expensive. You got the rose in the 5M bottle, you're going to pay quite a penny. But with this promotion, you get 10% off. So your wholesale price is going to be $63. If you don't have a membership with doTERRA, then your discounted price will be $84 for this month of June 2022. So there's a lot of things you can use it. A lot of people like to use it for skin issues that you might have, calming the emotions, especially if you have any of those anxious feelings that come around. It blends really, really well with neroli and jasmine. You can actually put it on diffuser jewelry. If you're feeling super stressed or if it's that time of the month, you can go ahead and apply it to your pulse points and your abdomen. And that's going to help regulate hormones and help you feel a little bit better as well. So this is a great essential oil blend for me. I love it. Most women will love this as well. So definitely consider this as an option. Now, I do want to just mention a little bit about June 1st. This oil blend came back in. This is the new Citrus Bliss that formulated. So that you can see on the screen, there's the old formula, which wild orange, lemon, grapefruit, mandarin, bergamot, tangerine, clementine, and vanilla absolute. And now we have the newer one. So this is going to have Litsea, bergamot, lime, lemon, wild orange, vanilla, grapefruit, and red and green mandarin. So you can see all of the amazing benefits you have, a lot about uplifting because it's citrus oils, but also reducing that stress, happier feelings, addressing fatigue, and promoting a positive mood. It's also going to be very cleansing to the skin. So this is a great oil that you may want to try and get it. So if you did get the Made 200 PV promotion in June, then you got this one for free. However, now you can purchase this one. So just FYI, this is now available. You have the new formula, but you just wanted to remind you guys on that. So if you have any questions, I'll put a link again in the description, a little bit more about the new Citrus Bliss, and you can learn a little bit more there. For those that are just getting started with doTERRA, you can get a starter kit, and I'll put the links in the description as well, or you can make your own little kit. Right now, doTERRA has a free membership, a limited time promotion that is going on. And so you can make your own customized kit and actually get the membership fee waived for this month. And then we also still have going on for those that are sharing doTERRA or thinking about maybe wanting these exclusive products, just the gather and give enrollment promo. So you get 3 people started with at least 100 PV order, you'll get the free Yarrow Palm Serum, which is amazing for your skin. I use it a lot for after I shave my legs. That's really, really good. But you're gonna really like this. You'll get that one for free. If you do 5 enrollments during this period, then you're going to get the Rose Afterglow Mist, and that is not available at all. This is an exclusive product, and you can actually earn this up to 3 different times. So enroll another 3, and you'll get the Yarrow Palm. Enroll another 5, and you will get the Yarrow or the Rose. I'm sorry, and then you can get the combination as well. So just FYI, this is great. They've extended it for this last month. And then finally, I just want to talk a little bit about convention. Like we call it connection here in doTERRA. The tickets are still available, so you can go to heal.doterra.com for being able to purchase the tickets. There's different levels. There's the ultimate in-person ticket, which gives you all that doTERRA has to offer. We've just got the virtual ticket as well. And then we have one we call the product, I think it's kind of the product day ticket, where you get to be involved in that day that we release all the new products, and you get to listen to what it is and how to get it at the best price and convention kits and all that kind of stuff from the experts. So just wanted to let you guys know what the June promotions are. I'm going to put all those links in the comments below in the description, so please check it out. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. If anything, hopefully you'll learn something new about some amazing products. So take care, my friends, and have a wonderful month of June.